Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Our channel, you mean?
Yes, our channel. So today, what do we have?
A snack box from Hawaii.
Woo! So we have a taste test.
Yeah.
And this is a little different from what we usually do, guys.
Yeah.
This is SNACKCRATE. Okay, so basically this is a box that every month they send you snacks from different countries or places, like states, countries, whatever it is.
And this one's from Hawaii.
This one is from Hawaii because
good.
I picked the first box to be from Hawaii.
Because a lot of people like to go to Hawaii and they say it's so good, so it must be good snacks. Right?
Yeah, we're hoping. So we're gonna try them out here with you guys. And hopefully we're going to be doing this every single month because this is a monthly subscription service. So every month we're going to have snacks from different countries, which I absolutely love the idea and the concept, right?
Yeah.
So their boxes start at like $7.99. I don't remember how many snacks it brings for $7.99, but they go up from there depending on the amount of snacks you want. I think I picked the one in the middle ground, which is probably like $15 a month if I'm not mistaken, and that has like almost like 20 or something like that.
Open our snack
All right,
box.
so when you open it up, this is what it looks like.
It's a picture of, it says SNACKCRATE Hawaii.
So it brings a little booklet. Let's explain that to them.
I think it tells you what the snacks are.
Yeah, it brings you a booklet. It tells you what the snacks are. It talks about Hawaii, like the capital, what's the population, fun facts. It gives you fun facts about the state or the country from where your snacks are, and then you get a list of snacks. So
we can't tell you what the snacks are. We have to.
Yeah, we don't know yet. So this is all nice and sealed right here. We're going to open it up with you guys.
I hope there's like chips or something.
I gotta show them again. Hold up. All right, so once you open it up, we've got some yummy stuff, and under here we got more stuff.
Yep.
All right,
Let's try the orange one first.
All right, so we're gonna start with the Hawaiian brand Kettle style potato chips. And this is in sweet and spicy, and it's called Luau Barbecue.
Sweet and spicy? I don't like spicy and sweet. At the
Barbecue
same time.
sauce is like that. So I think I'm gonna really like this because I love
sweet and
barbecue.
Helping.
All right, so oops. Each one of us get one.
This is what it looks like. It smells really good.
It smells like regular Lay's barbecue chips. All right, are we ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Perfect.
Any water, so it's gonna be.
There's some right there. Perfect in my book.
Me too. It's good.
Do you guys like it? Is it really spicy? I don't think it is. Well, it is a little bit. So we got another bag of chips, and if that one was hot, this one's probably gonna be hotter.
No.
So this is called jalapeno.
I'm not eating.
Jalapeno fired, crispy and crunchy,
not
gluten-free chips.
I'm just gonna try it.
Yeah. It says, get a little island spice in your life with these jalapeno flavored crunchy potato chips.
I can't take hotness, so I'm not eating it. Even if it was like this much hot, I would.
All right,
I would
let's try.
stick it out
Are you
of my
gonna
mouth.
try?
I just want to lick a little tiny lick.
Here. Okay, but not yet.
Ooh.
All right, so it just looks like your regular kind of Lay's, kind of. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. It's not hot yet. I don't feel it yet.
You don't feel anything.
I don't feel the hotness yet. Christopher, relax.
It's maybe your tonsils that you got out.
No, because Christopher doesn't have them either.
You
What is
know,
tonsils?
those balls that help you like swallow, I think. You guys got them out because you were inflamed.
The barbecue one is hotter for me than the jalapeno one, unless a couple minutes go by and maybe it gets worse. I'm not sure.
The jalapeno one, I'm never ever gonna try. Cause
All right.
No, I don't want to.
We have another.
Spicy thing.
No.
Okay, good.
We have a bag of chips.
Potato chips.
So let me find this one.
Oh,
These are like onion. These are like the onion ones that you eat.
I love onion
So
rings.
this is
They're
called
so good.
Maui style Maui onion flavored potato chips.
Maui.
So
Maui's
it's
from a movie.
because Maui is Hawaii. Is a like a city in Hawaii.
Oh, okay.
So it says crunchy chips infused with savory onion flavor and dusted with salt. Each bite will make you feel that fresh Maui spirit. And the packagings are so cute.
Yeah.
All right, let's try this one.
Oh, there's a soda.
Yeah, I know.
And there's like gummies.
Okay, wait.
Just looking, I can't tell them what it looks like. I'm seeing
All right.
what it is.
Yeah, it's like onion rings.
Oh,
I'm pretty sure.
I'm so keeping the bag.
We're gonna like this. Okay,
I wanna.
Oh yeah.
are you guys ready?
Yeah.
I'm eating
3,
the whole chip.
2, 1.
Onion.
Oh my god, so good.
So good.
So good.
Just so good. Crunchy. Just,
Really good.
Definitely a 2 thumbs up.
Yes, this is good. I like these better than the Funyuns that we have.
I still want the fun. I still like the Funyuns, the circle ones.
Okay, so you guys want to try that or you want to go for the drink?
This one. The drink
That?
last.
Okay.
Because then it will wash down everything.
So I just
I wanna
remembered that I got the box that includes a drink. So,
And there's also some gummies.
yeah,
Mommy.
it's cute.
Next up, we got caramel corn Hawaiian style.
Caramel corn? I don't
Caramel
like
corn. It's like popcorn.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's like
okay.
popcorn.
It's popcorn. Caramel popcorn.
So this is the Island Princess Tropical Corn. This is like the popcorn that's sweet. Oh, I already put it in my mouth. Sorry, guys.
It's fine.
I like to do it at the same time. Okay, 3, 2, 1 for you guys. Go ahead.
So good.
Oh, this is good.
I love caramel. Caramel's the best.
I'm not a huge fan of caramel, but these are pretty good.
Yeah, they're good. I would definitely want caramel popcorn from a movie theater.
These
I
are
don't
good.
really like caramel that much.
All right. These are biscuit sticks.
Ooh.
So people usually have these with coffee.
Mommy, the rest are like candy. Ooh.
Yeah, we got a good box, guys.
Yeah, the bottom.
All right,
stuff
so this is real
good.
cute. It says Hawaii Pretz Kona Coffee Biscuit Sticks. Okay. So let's try this. These are nice.
There, because then I can't reach it.
All right.
So just put it next to me and I'll give it to you whenever you need it.
So these are like these little thin sticks.
Ooh, this looks...
They smell like coffee.
Oh, they smell like coffee.
I don't like it.
All right, let's try it.
Coffee does make you wake up, but I
3,
don't like it.
2, 1.
It tastes like coffee. It tastes like coffee.
Yeah, they do. It kind of tastes like nothing with a hint of coffee. They're not bad.
Let's do this.
Okay, so those are the pineapple gummies.
Is there
Wait
more?
for Chris. Yeah.
Ooh, there's more. I call
There's
this
one for each.
I call this
Oh,
one.
there's several.
Ooh, one of us.
Give me a gummy. Give me a gummy.
All right, so we got pineapple gummies.
Can I have 2?
No.
Why is...
You want orange or yellow?
Orange.
Okay. And then these are mine, I guess.
No, this one is for me and Chris.
Well, I'm gonna have this one.
Yeah.
You guys have to share the last
Yeah.
one. So they come in yellow or orange.
Yellow
When
or
the first time I
orange?
saw them, I thought they were fish.
Yeah.
Why would you think they would send us fish? We would
Why
never
can't
eat
I
it.
open mine? 3, 2, 1.
So good.
They taste a lot like pineapple.
The coffee does mess it up a little bit, but it's more stronger than the coffee.
It's really
thing.
good. All right, next up we have from Diamond Bakery. All of these things are made in Hawaii. It says this bakery has been there since 1921. And this is candy bead Hawaiian cookies.
Cookies?
Ooh, I love them cookies.
Dotted with colorful sprinkles and flavored with a hint of lemon, these cookies are a Hawaiian favorite.
My mom, I'm not that strong.
Well, you are strong enough to knock things over.
So that's what the cookie looks like.
I can't
3.
Oh, it smells so good.
2, 1.
So good.
So good.
Yummy. Oh, that's so good.
Let's do these gummies second.
Okay, I think those are the Lee Heng Mui drops.
There's 3.
Lee Heng Mui drops.
I want this one, even though
What are Lehen Mui drops?
So it says, it has plum inside. It says sweetheart candies
Oh, I can't eat
flavored
hard
with
candies.
plums. No, you can't.
So,
With the pit of a real
So you
plum
have
in
to
the
lick it.
center.
Okay, I'll lift it. It doesn't run away.
Yeah, we can't bite into this. They're hard candy.
It's hard, so we're just gonna lick it.
And they have a little plum inside.
What is what is a plum?
You don't know what a plum is?
All right, let's move on. Okay, let's move on to this one. This is the Piaka pineapple shortbread. That sounds interesting.
Ooh, that sounds super
We all have to take a bite out of
interesting.
this one because
That's
there's
just
only
one.
one. As this authentically Hawaiian treat is made of all native ingredients, featuring sweet shortbread with a real pineapple filling.
Pineapple filling?
filling?
That sounds
Ooh.
interesting. All right, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna bite it first.
What does it taste like?
Oh,
Give it.
God.
You like it?
Oh, God.
It tastes like those breads that Papi brings sometimes with like pineapple filling.
rest?
Yeah.
So you want to do this one next?
Yep. And then we're gonna do the last
Okay,
one.
so this is the HiChew Acai. These are juicy fruit chews. And they have the acai flavor, which is good. Acai is really good.
gum.
They're
Basically
candy.
gum.
They looks like a gum pack, but it's
Oh, I
candy.
remember we used to we had like something like this, kind of like we had something like this.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Remember with the strawberry and mango thing that we got from Publix?
Yeah.
Oh, it smells so good.
Yeah.
You have to smell it.
All right, so let's start.
Mm-mm.
Oh, smells really good. Smells like a bubble gum,
This
but
is
it
what-
says it's candy.
This is
Oh my
yeah.
God,
We had
so
like
yummy.
a candy gum.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Very chewy.
it's really hard, but it's so good.
Yeah, it's a little hard, but it's chewy.
Now we're gonna do. I had.
Now we're gonna do one of my favorite things because I love these candies, even though they're so like bad for you.
I had.
So these are rainbow belts. We have these here as well, but different, not from Hawaii.
Can we not eat it yet?
It's
'cause
called Asia Trans by Heng Mui Rainbow
Can we
Belts.
not eat it yet? Because we're still eating.
Finish it.
I ate mine.
It says delicious, brightly colored gummy strips dusted with Lee Heng Mui powder, which gives the perfect blend of salty and sweet. So yeah,
Ooh,
they
I
have
love that salt. It's so
they
good.
have that powder. We don't have the powder here. Over here it's just sugary. All right, so
If you're from
Oh,
Hawaii,
it's wiggly like foot.
yeah, we have rainbow
if
belts
you're
here,
from
but they're
Hawaii,
different.
this is what it looks. This is what it looks like. But this is the candy we eat, but without the red stuff.
Right, exactly. So 3,
Ooh, it's
2,
really strong.
1.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Mm.
I kind of like it better because ours here is like too sweet.
This is like it like takes away the sweetness, so it's not as good, but it's good.
All right, so last thing in here is a drink. This is the Hawaiian Sun Lily Koi Passion Fruit Juice Drink.
Ooh, that sounds super good.
But it
for
looks
sunny.
just like a soda.
Yeah,
It is
so
a
we're gonna
soda.
try.
It is.
All right, I'm gonna go first.
Okay,
3,
you go first.
2,
Me
1.
next.
How is it?
Your face just makes it look much gooder.
It's good. It's good. It's not too strong. That's what I like about it.
Remember that time
It's
when
pretty
I had
good.
one of the layers were
It's pretty
What do you guys
good.
think? I like it because it's not too strong.
Yeah, I'm gonna have my last gummy thing in.
Well, can I have like the green part?
Okay,
Yeah.
guys, so let's tell them, what did you guys think of your very first snack crate box?
So good. I loved it.
Do you guys want to keep doing this every month?
Yes.
Yeah, right?
Please.
This
Yes,
is fun.
please.
All right, guys. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys love these videos. You guys know I always do taste tests with my boys. I never do them alone.
So
I always
once
do them
you
with
did
my
it
boys.
on Easter, I think.
No, I didn't.
We did a taste
Oh,
test.
but that was like
only
maybe
for us.
100 years ago. Oh, just for you guys. Yeah,
100 years
I mean,
ago?
I don't mind if
100
they
years-
do it alone, but me, I have to be with my boys for taste tests.
When
That's a
she-
tradition.
When we find the good stuff.
Why
it
did you
has
say
to be-
100 years?
All right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Yeah.
Please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell.
So, to
Also-
see all of our other videos.
Yes. Also subscribe to their channel. They have a channel. It's called the Levy Brothers.
We're still gonna do gaming, hide and seek, and a lot of other
Yes.
things.
And it's in the description bar. So go subscribe to them. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.
Bye.